Cleanse your face thoroughly. Apply moisturizer to hydrate the skin. Use a primer to create a smooth base for makeup application. Pat an eyeshadow primer or concealer onto your eyelids to enhance the eyeshadow's longevity and vibrancy. Use a neutral shade closest to your skin tone as a base eyeshadow all over the lid to set the primer and create a smooth canvas. Apply a medium-toned eyeshadow shade to the crease using windshield wiper motions for definition and blending. Use a darker shade, such as a deep brown or black, on the outer corner of the eye, blending it inwards to create depth and intensity. Use a black or dark eyeliner to line your upper lash line, creating a defined look. Optionally, apply eyeliner to the lower lash line as well. Blend all the eyeshadow together, ensuring there are no harsh lines. Use a clean brush to soften edges and smoke out the look for a seamless finish. Apply mascara generously to both upper and lower lashes for added drama. Optionally, add false eyelashes for an even more intensified effect. Blend, blend, blend. This technique is crucial for a seamless transition between eyeshadow shades. Gradually build color intensity. Start with lighter shades and gradually layer darker ones for depth. Use high-quality tools. Good brushes and makeup products greatly affect the outcome. Practice and patience. Smoky eye makeup may require practice to perfect. Don't rush the process. Remember, individual preferences and eye shapes can modify these steps slightly, so feel free to adapt the process to best suit your features and desired intensity.